As you can see here, the garden's doing pretty good. We got squash down there that we didn't plant. And we'll come through the tomatoes here. Beefsteaks are coming along pretty well. So are the cherry tomatoes. We do have a few. They're starting to ripen right there. As we come across, you can see all the zucchini blooming out. And this is the outer squash bed. A lot of them are coming along really well. Onions are coming along great, and the potatoes have blossomed out and started to die back, and we've started to harvest potatoes out of these beds. And we have new carrot beds, and the peas are going to be coming out to be replanted with fall crops. And the bush cucumbers are coming along really well. The salsify we've been harvesting seeds off of. These are scarlet runner beans. The hummingbirds have been in here after these and the onions. These are our cucumbers. They're coming along really well. And then we have a bunch of tomatillo plants that just cropped up that we're letting grow. And we got our lemon cucumbers here. Our green beans are coming along almost in full bloom. We have a good crop of dill coming along here. And there's our kale.